Good evening. Good evening, all of you. Good evening. I am happy to be here.
What I did yesterday,
What I did yesterday.
I am going to tell you.
What I did yesterday, I am going to tell you. Firstly, I opened my eyes. Then I greet my parents.
I greeted my parents.
I greeted my parents.
I said namaste या good morning जो भी आप कहते हैं.
Yes, sir.
क्या कहते हैं आप?
Sir, namaste.
तो बोलिए. I said namaste to my parents.
I said namaste to my parents.
Okay.
Then I went to brush my teeth.
Okay.
Then I took a shower.
हाँ.
Then I took a shower.
हाँ.
Then
I got ready.
Then I got ready for school. Then I took my lunch and I will not repeat this mistake again.
हाँ.
Then she told, see in your friend's book, sorry. And my first period was over, second period was started. Period was not interesting. Also third, also fourth,
हाँ.
also fifth. then this time is how to say
हाँ.
मेरे टीचर ने मेरे को काम से बुलाया.
My teacher called me.
My teacher called me
हाँ.
for some work.
Okay.
Then I go. Then I went. She was scolded me. Why are you forget your book?
Why did you forget?
Why did you forget?
Why did you forget your book?
Why did you forget your book?
Okay, go on.
Then I told ma'am. I also said sorry. She was said go in your class and eat your lunch.
Okay.
Then lunch was over. After 3 hours, school was over. Then my bus.
School was over.
School was over. Then my bus came. Yes, sir. Then my bus came and I boarded into my bus.
हाँ.
I saw there was no seat.
हाँ.
There was no seat.
हाँ.
And in the bus, I put my bag.
हाँ. Shelf.
Then I put my bag and put in bus shelf. And then I stood in my bus. Standing. I was standing in my bus. My bus left school. Then my bus dropped me on my front of block.
Okay.
Then I go.
In front of my school dropped me in front of my block.
My school bus.
School.
My school bus dropped me in front of block.
Okay. Got down the bus.
I got down the bus. Then I went to my home and then I eat.
I had my.
I have my lunch. I entered in my home. Then I changed to school uniform. Then I eat.
I had
some food. Completed my tuition homework. I came to Mr. classes. Then